5, remembering Britain's longest reigning monarch, Queen Elizabeth II. In Britain, crowds gathered outside Buckingham Palace, paying tribute to the only monarch most had ever known. New Yorkers and people around the world are processing her death. Tonight, team coverage of Queen Elizabeth's passing, from her life and legacy to what happens next as her son Charles ascends to the throne.
We see our own children and their families embrace the roles, traditions and values that mean so much to us. I see it in my own family, and it is a source of great happiness.
I'm Dana Tyler. Christine Johnson is on assignment. Queen Elizabeth II led Great Britain for 70 years. The royal family announcing the Queen's death through this tweet saying, "The Queen died peacefully at Balmoral," which is the family's home in Scotland, this afternoon.
Became king immediately after the death of his mother. He had been heir to the throne since he was 3 years old, making him the longest-serving heir to the throne in British history. He will be now known as King Charles III. Charles's wife, Camilla, will now be known as Queen Consort, which Queen Elizabeth approved and announced in April. He and Camilla are now set to return to London.
Her life in this country, and she led this country with great reverence and duty and respect and honor, and I just don't know if there would be another like her.
The Queen had already been showing signs of slowing down, making just 2 brief appearances during the summer celebrations, marking her 70 years on the throne. Under rules of the British monarchy, Charles became king immediately upon the Queen's death, with his formal coronation to follow as the nation mourns the only monarch most ever knew.
I'm Dana Tyler. Christine Johnson is on assignment. Queen Elizabeth II led Great Britain for 70 years. The royal family announcing the Queen's death through this tweet saying, "The Queen died peacefully at Balmoral," which is the family's home in Scotland.